Now we will study about the India and the United Nations, how they both have the better understanding. India was one of the countries to sign the United Charter in the year 1945. So India has signed the United Nations Charter in the year 1945. Remember this year, it is very important. It is therefore one of the founder member of the United Nations. So India is one of the founder member of the United Nations. India has accepted the ideals of the United Nations and has also played a significant role in promoting peace and unity in the world. So as India is one of the founder member of the United Nations, it accepted all the different ideas which were given by the United Nations, and India has accepted and plays an important role while promoting the peace and unity all over the world. India has supported the freedom movement of other nations and has helped the underprivileged country. So India has supported the freedom movement that had happened in the other nation other nation, that means outside the India, and India also helped the underprivileged countries. India supported freedom movement in countries like Indonesia, Angola, Bangladesh, Libya, Malaysia, Tunisia, Ghana, Morocco, and Algeria. So these are the countries where India has supported the freedom movement in these countries. India has helped to expand and membership of the Security Council and admit new member to the United Nations. So India has expanded the membership from the United Nations member to the member of the Security Council and admit as a new member of the United Nations. India supported the entry of the People's Republic of China into the United Nations in 1971. India has opposed radical discrimination or apartheid in South Africa. The meaning of apartheid or the radical discrimination is that in the South Africa, the black community was differentiated with the white community. That means the white community in the South Africa were dominating the South Africa and the black community were not given their rights. So India has opposed the radical discrimination in the South Africa. India has been part of the United Nations peacekeeping operation in Palestine, Cyprus, Congo, Cambodia, Somalia, and Bosnia. India believes in disarmament or the reduction of arms and control of atomic energy. Though India has produced different types of atomic energy or you can say different types of arms, but India does not believe in disarmament. The meaning of this sentence is that if there is any problem or conflict with other country, it's better we should solve by speaking rather than using the arms or the atomic energy in order to take revenge from that country. India has therefore played an important role in conference on disarmament. So India had played an important role in the conference regarding the disarmament. India was appointed as the chairman of the Commission for the Supervision of the Truce in Indochina in 1954. So in the year 1954, India was the chairman regarding the problem related to Indo and China. During the Cold War, India took a neutral stand or followed a policy of non-alignment and thus helped in reduction of tensions between the two superpowers. So during the Cold War also, India played a neutral stand, and finally with the help of India, the tension between the two superpowers were reduced. India played an important role in the repatriation of prisoners of war when the hostilities in Korea came to an end in 1953. These are the contributions which India had made by being the member of the United Nations. India has sent her medical missions as part of United Nations aid missions whenever needed. Example, during the Korean War and the Gulf War. So India had sent her medical aid system whenever there is a war outside the India. That is examples such as the Korean War, Gulf War. India had played an active role in the development activities of the United Nations agencies like UNICEF, UNESCO, and United Nations Development Program. So India had played an active role. India have or has actively participated in the different United Nations agencies, that is in the UNICEF, UNESCO, and UNDP. Many African and Asian students are getting higher education in Indian universities through UNESCO scholarship. So not only Indian people are going outside for their further education, but from other countries also. Many especially from Africa and Asia, students are coming in our country India, and they are getting their higher education by UNESCO scholarship. And the last point is, many Indian have served in the United Nations at the important post. Shashi Tharoor was the former Under Secretary General for Communication and Public Information at the United Nations. So one of the great politician was the former Under Secretary General for the United Nations also. He was the official candidate of India for the post of Secretary General when Kofi Annan's term came to an end in 2006. He came a close second out of 7 contenders in the race. Indian jurists like Nagendra Singh, B.N. Rao, and Justice Pathak have been judges of the Court of the Justice. So please remember these 3 judges' name. They were from the Indian who were the one of the judges of the International Court of Justice in the United Nations.